If you're a content creator looking for a simple way to build a community, sell courses, or manage coaching programs, Skool might be exactly what you need. But before you dive in, let's break down how it works, where it shines, and what you need to know before using it. Stick around because at the end, I'll show you how to get an exclusive extended free trial, plus some even better alternatives depending on your goals. So, Skool is designed to combine a community, course hosting, and a gamified learning experience all in one. Think of it like a mix between Facebook groups, Kajabi, and Discord, but with a super clean interface. Unlike most course platforms, it prioritizes engagement first, meaning students stay active and actually consume your content instead of ghosting after they buy. Next thing, setting up your Skool community is fast. You create a group, set membership rules, and decide whether it's free or paid. It's smooth, but here's where you should be careful. Skool doesn't let you fully customize the branding. Your group will always look like a Skool group, not a fully personalized membership site. If that's important to you, you'll want an alternative like Circle or Kajabi. The other thing, Skool's courses are structured inside your community, not as a standalone product. It's great if you want an interactive learning experience, but if you're selling a high-end course or want advanced funnel tools, Skool is a bit limited compared to Teachable or Thinkific. Another key point, Skool's gamification and leaderboard system. Every interaction earns members points, which boosts engagement. But if you're not careful, it can lead to spammy discussions instead of valuable conversations. It's great for some communities, but not all. Now, monetization. Skool lets you charge a one-time fee or subscription, and they handle payments through Stripe. It's simple, but they take a cut, so if you want full control over your revenue, platforms like Podia or Mighty Networks might be better. Final thing, Skool is invite-only. You can't just create an account and browse. You need a direct invite, which makes it feel exclusive, but also a bit restrictive if you're just trying to explore. Now, if Skool sounds like a fit, I've got an extended free trial for you in the description, plus some better alternatives if your focus is course selling, high-end coaching, or full brand control. Click the link below to get access to the best trial and exclusive perks only available through our link.